Hi everyone, I am back. This time with some dies for sale. Oh my god, as you can see a really grubby mark on my mat. Right, okay, so we are going to have I'm going to show you some dies that I have for sale. Hi Karen, honey. I've been having a sort out and I have far too many for my own good. I really do. Oh my gosh, I've got so many bits and pieces just sitting on my desk. Let me just, oh my gosh, Charles is back causing havoc. Let me just pick up these little bits and pieces that we're going to put in a little pot somewhere so that we can reuse them. Right, so I have been having a sort out and I have got some dies. Hi Cameron, honey. Excuse these little bits. I'm just trying to have a little tidy up here. So let me put all these little bits in here, just so my desk is a bit tidier. Hi, Julie, honey. Right, that feels a bit better. I have had a sort out and I've got some dies that I no longer need. They are surplus to requirement and they are all £3, never been used, brand new. So let me just invite a few more of you to the party. Let's just, you're all going to be fed up with me today. Pat, Vanda, Ginny, Karen, Janet. We've already got Karen. I just sent you a reminder. Sue, Lynn. Right, okay. So let's have a look up at my desk. It is a flipping mess. I don't know what happens. It just gets really, really mucky. Doesn't matter how much I clean it. Okay, let's get on to the matter at hand. I've got a whole pile here. They are all £3, and then you will have postage depending on how many you want. But these are all brand new. I've never used them. They're all in the packs. So £3 each. Just let me know which ones you want. So these are tattered lace half circles, great for doing like flip-flop cards, things like that. So these are half circles. Hi Kay. We've also got the half ovals, half hearts, half squares, and the half decorative circles. So these are all £3 a pack, never been used. So if you would like any of these, just let me know, and obviously there will be postage on top as well. So half circles, half ovals, half squares, half hearts, and half decorative circles. Never used them, never got round to it, and they are just sat in my drawers. Right, so that's the first lot of dies. And then I have some more tattered lace dies here. Again, they're all £3 a pack. We've got Little Miss Muffet, just super cute. I'm a Little Teapot. So just tell me the name of the dies if you want them. As you can see, they've never been used. Hi, Linda May. We've got Rockabye Baby. Hi, Ginny. Old MacDonald. There's the moon. Actually, I should be showing you these better than what I'm doing, shouldn't I? Right, so this is Little Miss Muffet. Super cute. Obviously, these are little nursery rhymes. And we've got I'm a Little Teapot. Just super cute. I mean, I've never even had a look at them inside. They are just absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. Never even been used. Just super cute. Look at that. With a little face on it. So that's I'm a Little Teapot. If you would like any of these, just private message me or comment below, and then I will get back to you and sort out. Yes, I like to join the group. Oh, bless you. I will the fold out cards. That's it. That's what they're called. Like to join the group. All right, darling. Afterwards, I will send you an invite to our group. Right, so we've got I'm a Little Teapot, Rockabye Baby. This is a really lovely die. Old MacDonald. We've got the Moon. And then we've got a lot of Flourish dies. So we've got Pearl Flourish number 1. And I'll show you just how big they are. I don't know if they're the exact size on the... But this is a lovely big... Yeah, they are the exact size of the... What goes that way? Oh, that way. Oh, they are the exact size on here. Near enough. Maybe a little bit bigger. So it's a great big Flourish die. So this is Pearl Flourish number 1. You've got Pearl Flourish number 2. Pearl Flourish number 3. That's really cute. I don't think we've got 4. Pearl Flourish number 5. Then you've got Mini Pearl Flourish number 7. Mini Pearl Flourish number 5. Pearl Flourish number 7. So obviously it's bigger. And then we've got this lovely corner die. Then we have a Night. A Cherish Moment corner. This lovely Blossom collection with 3 dies. Cute. We've got another corner one here. Harvest Wreath. A Venetian corner and accent. And then we have this lovely set of ribbons. I think there's 4 in total. And then this lovely butterfly branch, which has a lovely butterfly here, a bow, and these gorgeous flourishes. So £3 each if you would like any, and then there will be postage on top. And I have one other die, which is massive actually. This great huge die, same, £3. Decorative lace border. This is Heartfelt Creations, and it's just really, really big, and I never really used it. Massive die. So if you would like any of these, just let me know the names of them, and I will message you back with how much the postage is. Well, that was a pretty quick video, wasn't it? Super quick, just having a sort out. They're just sat in my drawers, and look, all that money I spent on them. I've never used them. Just ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. So yes, I'm hoping they will go to a very good home, and that they will give someone a lot of pleasure. So just let me know if you would like them. Oh, I also received a lovely card, from the lovely Lindsay Simmons, which is really cute. This lovely little card, isn't it gorgeous, with this little rabbit on it, just saying, hope that I'm well and she's thinking of me. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love receiving happy mail, and I love the way she's decorated all of the envelope and just made it super gorgeous as well. So how lovely is that? Right, okay, my lovelies, very quick video there. Let me know if you'd like any of the dies, and I will... Whoops, daisy. Just close that down. Right, I've got to meet my daughter in a minute, so I better go. I will see you all too. I have that die too, so very pretty. Can I have the little teapot and the Rockabye Baby, please? Yes, you may. I will put them aside for you. So that is the I'm a Little Teapot and the Rockabye Baby. So I'll put these aside for you, Kay. So they have gone. If anyone wants any of the others, please let me know. Right, I'm going to go now because I need to call my daughter. Talk to you all very soon. Probably see you later. Bye for now. Bye.